In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Google Chrome, the world's most popular web browser, on your new Windows 11 system. Let's get started. Start by opening Edge. You'll find it pinned on the taskbar or in the Start menu. Once Edge is open, go to the search bar at the top and type Download Google Chrome. And you'll see the official Chrome website at the top of the results. Make sure to click on the one that says www.google.com to avoid fake or unsafe sites. Now that you're on the official Chrome page, click the big blue button that says Download Chrome. A small file will start downloading. It's the Chrome installer. You'll find it in the top right corner of the browser or in your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, click on the installer to open it. The Chrome installer will automatically download the files it needs and install the browser. It only takes a minute or two. When Chrome opens for the first time, it might ask if you want to make it your default browser. If you prefer Chrome over Edge, click Set as Default. Windows 11 will open the default app settings, where you can choose Google Chrome as your default for web browsing. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. Now you're ready to browse the web just the way you like. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.